Hello everyone, Luca here with WyreStorm and InfoComm 2026. Here we're showcasing our new control system. It's called Synergy Control. Really cool thing is that it's based on Node-RED, which is a visual programming tool. So you don't need to learn code and all that stuff. You connect these blocks together and that's how you build logic. Besides that, we have our own Synergy Designer, which is our way of designing these UIs. You have buttons, sliders, different colors, different designs, pages, and stuff like that. And it's all run. Node-RED is based on this controller. This is SynCTL FL10, and we also have the bigger brother SynCTL FL20 if you need more ports. Now, really cool thing is that we're building the whole ecosystem here. So you're going to see these extenders. So if the ports on the processor are not enough, you can expand by connecting these blocks. They're IP-based, so you can do like IR control, GPIO, relay, whatever you want. Just throw it in a room and start controlling. So be sure to join us here at InfoComm 2026. I'm Luca, and thank you.